Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enroll in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned, just relax, take it easy. As long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about basic integration. When we say basic integration, this is very easy topic in integration. Okay? So this is some sort of using algebra, then a little formula using differential calculus, and then finally we will use the integral calculus so that we can come up with the final answer. Okay? So I have here integral of x squared minus 2x minus 1 all over by x plus 4 dx. Okay? Since I told you before my instruction that I will use algebra because we can divide this one. This is our dividend and divisor. So we will use long division method. So this will be x squared minus 2x minus 1. Then our divisor will be the denominator. So this will be x plus 4. So let us go back to our algebra during our high school. So the rule is we have to divide the first term of the dividend and the first term of divisor. When m is greater than n, so this will be m minus n is equals to x. So this will be, first quotient will be x. Then multiply to the divisor, that will be x squared, then plus 4x. Okay, the next rule is we need to change the sign of the product. This is the product, which is x squared plus 4x, from positive to negative, from positive to negative. Okay, so x squared minus x squared, that will be crossed out, or that will be 0. Then I have now negative 2x, negative 4x, that will be negative 6x. Since this is binomial, so it should be, the new dividend will be also in binomial form. So this should be negative 6 minus 1. Since I have negative, so my quotient will be also negative. Okay, again, divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. So this will be crossed out. So I have now 6. So this will be 6. Then multiply to the divisor, that will be negative 6x. Negative 6 times positive 4, that will be negative 24. Okay? The same rule what we did in the first. So we have to change the product sign. So this will be from negative to positive. From negative to positive. So negative 6x, positive 6x, that will be crossed out. Or that will be 0. Negative 1. Then positive 24. So negative 1. So this will be positive 23. Because we need to subtract. Positive 24 minus 1. That will be positive 23. So meaning, my quotient now is x. This is the remainder. Minus 6. Since there is a sign, so mean understood, this will be plus 23 over x plus 4. So this is now the quotient. Okay, quotient. So I will write in here integral of circle brackets. So x minus 6. Then plus 23 over x plus 4. Then this will be enclosed with circle brackets, and then this will be dx. Then I will integrate individually or split the integral. Okay, so first will be integral of x and then dx. Then positive, negative, that will be negative integral of 6 dx. Then plus integral of 23 dx over x plus 4. Okay? So allow me to erase this illustration. So this will be integrate. This is 1, right? So n plus 1, so this will be x squared over 2. Then I will isolate from the integrand. So there is no integrand, dx only. So I will place outside. So this will be 6 integral of dx. Then this one also 23 will be separated from the integrand. So this will be 23 integral of dx over x plus 4. Okay? So this will be u is equals to x plus 4. Then du is equals to dx. Then this will be plus 0. So du is equals to dx. Okay? So this will be x squared over 2. Then integral of du is equals to u plus c. Then if we have integral of dx, that will be x plus c. Just cross the integration symbol and differentiation symbol, then we come up with the variable. So I have now minus 6x. Then this will be plus 23. Then integral of dx is du. Then x plus 4, that will be u. Okay? So this will be x squared over 2 minus 6x plus 23. Take note, we have this formula, integral of du over u. Basic formula for integration, that will be ln absolute u then plus c. So meaning this will be ln absolute u, then this will be plus c. Okay? Then I will simplify this one. So I will do this one as x squared over 2 minus 6x. Then this will be plus ln absolute u raised to the 23rd power. Then this will be plus c. Then plug in the value of u. So this will be x squared over 2 minus 6x plus ln absolute circle brackets x plus 4 raised to the 23rd power. Then this will be plus c. Then I will simplify this one. So I can write this one as common is x. Then I have now later I will do this one as x squared minus 6x plus 2 ln absolute circle brackets x plus 4 raised to the 23rd power, then plus c. Then this will be over 2. Okay? Then I will write the final answer in here at the top. So final answer will be, I will factor this one. So I have now x times, wait, it should be 12, sorry. This is 12, sorry. 12 because multiplied by 2, okay? So this will be x minus 12, then plus 2 ln absolute circle brackets x plus 4 raised to the 23 power. Then this will be over 2. Then this will be plus c. Okay? So this will be now my final answer of integral of x squared minus 2x minus 1 over x plus 4 dx is equals to x times circle brackets x minus 12 plus 2 ln absolute circle brackets x plus 4 raised to the power of 23 all over by 2 plus c. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Mas TV. Thanks for watching.